Hello and welcome to my first non-short video about my Lego. I got a comment asking for a little walkthrough on my Lego collection, so might as well do that. Basically, starts off here with my horrible stop motion studio. These are the lights I used, and I have a bunch of spare parts everywhere that I use for blaster effects, and yeah, as you can see, base plates that are taped, and moving on. I have these shelves full of Lego sets, so starting off we have a Vulture Droid, 2 modified AATs, and a Droid artillery cannon. Moving up, I have an Imperial Shuttle 2020, I think, and I have these minifigure base plates and make mini scenes. And Bad Batch Shuttle, could barely fit it, and there's a Coke bottle out there. Gonk Droid, yeah, and Mandalorian Starfighter 2021. Moving up, I have an AT-AP 2014 and an Ambaran MHC, I think. I don't know. Moving on, I have this other shelf. I have a Slave One 2021 summer version, and I have Luke's Landspeeder next, miniature scenes as well, and then I have the Marauder. And moving up, I have the smallest builds: Advent Calendar Speeder, Staff Speeder, Microfighter Turbo Tank, and Speeder from that artillery cannon over there. Behind that, I have a Hoth base. I don't know the name for that. And I have General Grievous' Starfighter and General Grievous' Speeder, as well as a Coruscant gunship in the back on this side. Moving down, I have my 501st collection that is vividly shining in these LED lights. You probably cannot see them that well. There, should be able to see. I have 2 501st dropships, 2 speeders, 2 modified walkers, and 1 swamp speeder. Next, I have my display case for my kind of expensive minifigures. Well, this is the over $30 to $50 ones around. Commander Cody, I know he's not exactly $30, but next we have Count Dooku, 2 Phase 2 planes, which have actually gone over $30 Canadian, and I have an ARC Trooper next. Moving down, I have 2 Ahsokas. One has the newer version of the Ahsoka's head, one is the older. I have a Phase 2 Captain Rex, my most expensive minifigure for now, Phase 1 Captain Rex, and 2 Shock Troopers. Right next to it, I have a bunch of minifigures that I'm trying to sell on eBay because I have doubles of them, kinda. And down here, this is where it gets messy, I have the rest of my minifigures that aren't on display. Droids, more droids, all droids, Phase 1 clones, 3 32nd troopers, different types of clones, 1 stormtrooper and 1 scout trooper I got from the advent calendar. I don't know what I had here. This is just like extra. Jedi and Sith, and 501st. Moving down, I have a bunch of boxes laying on the ground, and case of very old Lego Friends minifigures. And under that, Technic pieces, and a bunch of colors and stuff. Over there, that is my advent calendar one, and it's kind of all broken. And also, under this one, beige pieces. And white all along here, and light gray. This is my most handy box. This is where I do the blaster effects and everything else, and some spare blasters, which isn't many. I don't know what this pile is. Miscellaneous, I guess. blaster effects as well, and clear pieces. Those are my most useful. Moving on, I have a empty base plate. Well, bunch of base plates. I had the 501st mock, and I asked if I should do it, but I had to take it down. Yeah, so that's staying there until I make a new mock. Moving up here, we have kind of Lego. This is like some Legos, and here is one bag full of the 501st parts extras I got from the modifications over there. And I think there's another bag. I'm not sure. This is the bag of instructions. There's like 20 pounds worth. And more instructions. And non-Lego Star Wars minifigures. I used to collect. And I think that's all over here. And the last thing I have is my boxes. They're covering the windows. And it is night outside. So yeah, I accidentally started getting into a habit of collecting boxes. So that's basically all I have for my Lego collection for now. I actually have 3 Lego sets on their way right now, and one is pretty big, and I might do a review on that because of how insanely amazing it is. So that's basically all. Hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.